Hi guys, my name is Mishka. Today we are making a lamp doll. So this time we need 4 things. So you need your old toys, like your old doll. And you just need a vegetable wrappers, 4 of them. So we need a lightning as well. So first start, we need this vegetable wrapper. There's one more to go. Okay, so let's move to the next part. After that, we just need these lightning. After that, the last thing we need is a doll. And let me show you my doll. It looks like this. After that, if we close the lights, it will glow. First, we need to turn on the light. See, it glows. After that, if I close this light, it just glows. See? This is the Christmas doll. You see, it looks so beautiful. You could sleep in the night time and on this your own Christmas doll. Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. Bye guys, see you in the next video. And remember, subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye.
For easy dance moves, for easy painting, for easy crafts, please subscribe on Mishka Easy Creations.